1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
The parenthesis or bracket. Use parenthesis to enclose extra materials, explanation, asides, etc. that are not basic to the meaning. Franklin Delano Roosevelt, Democrat, New York, was the only person to be elected president 4 times. He gained from heaven, it was all he wished, a friend. The asterisk is used to draw some special attention, and 2 or more asterisks are used to denote that some words or phrases or clauses have been intentionally left out. Punctuation is very important in writing. The woman at last confessed the crime. Punctuation is very important in writing. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.